Hey, budget Baes. Hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, we are going to be doing our first cash stuffing in the month of July. So let's go ahead and put some money to the side, baby, so we can have some money for this week, okay? If you want to set up the money with me, stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all gotta stay tuned because that means you want to go ahead and cash stuff this little old money with your girl. First things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey, y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning budget bays. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you're new around here, then hey y'all, hey, welcome and welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like. Budget Baes, as soon as you get on the video, do your big one. Hit the like button for your girl. Definitely appreciate it down. If you're new around here, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. Okay, so look, y'all, let's go ahead and do this little old cash stuff. And I need to move some stuff out of the way so that we can kind of see what we had going on. Anyway, let's move this out the way, y'all. I'm supposed to have $360 that were stuffed, and it would have been $385, but remember, 25 of it I used to pay Zelle. So it's directly to the Zelle for my lawn, so that extra $25 won't be there. This should be $360, okay? So 51, 50, put the 50 to the side. So 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 3, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, okay? They must gave me some new fives. I had to go to that ATM, child. I had to break the change, give myself some change. Girl, I had it going on, child. All right. So, let's put this money like that. Let's make sure y'all can see what's going on, what the haps and the snaps is, okay? We're going to put this right here. And we moved up to $120. Did we do $100? I think we were doing $120 for groceries last month as well. So we're still doing the $120 this month. Let's see what we have left. Now, remember, y'all, I have not been, I've been shopping, but I haven't been doing a lot of shopping because we've been in the middle of like cleaning out our refrigerator. So like today, I had taken out some oxtails that we have. I'm going to make oxtails for Sunday dinner. However, what I'll probably do is make it Saturday night. But I'm going to have that for Sunday dinner. But for like tonight, I'm going to make Philly cheesesteaks. I think I have some chicken Philly cheesesteaks in there. So we'll do some chicken Philly cheesesteaks tonight. And so that means today I need to go by the store and get some little rolls for it. And I need to make sure I have my bell peppers and my onions and stuff like that. So we'll make that for tonight. And then tomorrow, tomorrow night, I'll make the oxtail meal, you know, oxtail's gravy. We'll got some, I got some yams I'm gonna pull out too. Like, you know, we'll just do a little 1-2 whole big old Sunday meal because we're in the middle of trying to clear out that refrigerator, that freezer. So yeah. All right, so let's see how much we have. Now, last time we checked, we had $290 in here. Let's see if I still got $290. Oh, that's good. So 1, 2, 50, 70, 90. So we still got $290. So that's because I have not been to the store. We do have some change to go in our corn purse, so we'll show you guys that in a minute. But today, we're going to add another $120, okay? So we'll put 07, 09, which is when Papa got paid. We're going to add another $120, okay? So that's going to give us 9, 10, 11, 410, okay? So it'll be 51, 20. Okay, so we got 100, 200, 50, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410. Okay, so $410 is how much money we have this week for the groceries, which I'm so excited about because y'all already know, girl, when I go to Sam's, baby, that money finna be gone real fast, baby. That Sam's don't play. You hear me? That Sam's don't play. As soon as I get up in there and get the freaking spending my money, baby, because I do need some dishwashing detergent and I do need some items like that, girl. So $410 is going to be pretty good. Now, let's talk about our gas. I actually need gas right now. So So the $50 that's in here for my gas is gonna stay because it's my gas. But we're going to act like we used it because basically we did. Once I give it away, we don't keep track of it anymore. So we're gonna keep $100, take $100 out of there, and then we're gonna add another 100 for Papa and I. So 709. We're gonna put another $100 in there, okay? And we do that by 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80. And then we give ourselves two tens, 90, 100. Okay, so that's gonna be $50 each. Okay, we're gonna keep 50 for me. And then we'll give this other 50 to Papa. Alright, so I'm going to put Papa's gas money right there. We're going to put that we have $100 in there. And remember, we already did our lawn services by doing the Zelle. We actually sent the Zelle today. So let's put 710. That's there. Alright, now let's move out of this particular everyday carry. That's it for that. We're going to move into our long-term savings binder now. I am excited because I haven't been able to stuff a lot of this stuff in a minute. Like, for instance, King. So last time we checked on King, King only had 15 bucks, right? So 5, 10, 15, that is what he has. And we haven't stuffed King since June the 15th. Okay, so I'm not mad. 710 or 79, we're going to add him $5, okay? So now King will have 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. All right. And then we need to update his folder here. Oh, I did update his folder. Okay, perfect. All right, so then he got $20. Now the car maintenance folder, let's get to car maintenance, which is right here. Now, the last time we checked in our car maintenance, we only had $30. We want to get that back up to $100. I did have to use some of that money because I ended up getting, what did I get? $90 for some truck items I had to get. So we normally try to keep $100 in there, but now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, $30 is what we have in there. We're going to add $5 more, okay? So we'll have 40. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And that's going to be 07, 09 that we're adding the hot 5. So he's going to have $35. We're going to have $35 in our car maintenance fund. So that's going back up to 100. I'm telling y'all, put a little bit at a time, baby. Don't feel no way about putting up your $5, $2, $3, baby. That should be adding up, honey. It might take a little while, but it's going to add up, and I'm not mad at it, okay? All right, so then let's move on to our emergency fund. Now, the emergency fund, last time we checked, remember we had to hit it. We had to hit it for $700 for the gate. So we've been stuffing it back, and the last time we checked, we should have had $1772. Okay, so in the bank, we have $292. So $1,292 we have in the bank. And then let's add this up. It's 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 450, 460, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay, plus 480 is going to give us the 1772 that I told you we had. All right, we're going to add $40 on that. So 20, 40, and that's going to give us 1812. So we're getting back close to our 2000 mark, which is what we had at first. So we're going to put 1812 here. Notate that on the 9th that we added another 40. We're trying to add 40 to get that back up. So if I can add 40, I'm going to add the 40. But for the lowest I'm going to add is $30. Unless I ain't got no money. Okay? But just so y'all understand. Alright, so then on my new car fund, let's move on to my new car. So that's in the new car fund, we're only going to add $30 to it because remember we doing good on that. Right now in my new car fund, I should have $4,210. So yes. In the bank, we have $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $500. So we got $3,500 in the bank. And then let's add this up. That's 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 96, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 710 is the 4210 that we have. That is so amazing, y'all. And we're going to add $30. So we're going to have 4240. Yes, baby. I'm almost to that 5,000. Wow. 4240. If anybody has ever did a lease, I've been hearing things about a lease, and I do like an old nasty new car. I'm thinking about jumping into leases. If y'all know anything about leases, or if you've ever had a lease, leave me something down in the comment. Let me know how y'all feel about that lease, baby, because I really feel like when I go to switch my car, I want a lease, y'all. I feel like I want a lease. Yes, because every 3 years I can get another car. But I don't need to have no like keeper. You know what I'm saying? Like I done did the keeper. I feel like I want to upgrade my car every 3 years. So let me get a lease. I think I'm gonna think about that. But leave me something down in the comments and let me know the pros and cons of how y'all feel about the lease, y'all. Because I'm really thinking about that. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so 4240 is how much we have in there. Now let's talk about our home upgrades, y'all. Our home upgrades, baby. We ain't touched that home upgrades. Let me tell you how long it's been since we touched our home upgrades, baby. We ain't touched that home upgrade since we bought that steam mop back in March. Hey, man, we ain't back, baby. So we should have $226. I know I got $76 in the bank. It says it right there. So then we have 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we're going to say plus 150, and that's going to give us the 226 that we have, y'all. We're going to add a hot 5 to that. Add a hot 5 to that, girl, because we need to add something. So plus 5 is going to give me 231. Okay, so 07, 09, we added a hot 5. Okay, and then lastly, we got our birthday. It should be left with, why I'm left with so much money? Did I add the 5, y'all? I did. And then my 55 should be, why do I have $25? Actually, $30. Did I not put my $30 in my, hold on, y'all. Did I not put the $30 in my new car fund? Must have been $30. 20, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yeah, $30. Let's make sure I put my $30 in here. I think I didn't. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 17. Okay, I didn't add it. I'm like, baby, 4210. Okay, so this girl, oh my God, y'all. See, that's what I be saying, baby. I gotta pay, baby. Pay attention, boo. So the $10 go in here. The $35 go in here, baby, and that's gonna give us the 4240 that we actually have, y'all. Baby, y'all know I get sidetracked, girl. Shit, I'm like, baby, I got so much goddamn money left now. I know I shouldn't have no money left. Okay. All right, so that's good. Now, that last $55, remember, in our birthday. Now, our birthday for St. Martin, last time we checked, we had $372 in here. So, 51, 50, 7, hold on. 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 350, 60, 70, 71, 72. So, 372 is how much I have. plus this last $55. So it's going to have $427. Okay, and I still got a couple of more stuffings I can do. We're just trying to get our cash for spending for Papa and I. These are for any spending that we're doing while we're out. Alright, so we go to my birthday. Let me put that no spend money in there. Birthday is going to be 7/09. We're going to put $55 in there. Okay? That's going to leave us with $427 for our birthday. Yes, yes, and yes, baby. I'm not mad. Who is mad? Okay? Yes, because some of y'all be mad, girl. Alright. Now, let's go ahead. This should be all she wrote for this particular video, y'all. I am in love with that. Let's put the last of our... It's thundering out there. Let's put our little change here in our corn purse. Anybody that's new that haven't seen my corn purse, here she is. So cute. She's my bag. But she is a piggy bank. And I love her. Okay? So we made it to the end of this particular video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like. If you're new around here and you enjoyed it, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the budget base. And until next time, you guys, my life on the budget. Bye!